I think the relation between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, very unique relation, very historical and deep relation. Always we stand with Pakistan in thick and thin. The Custodian of the Holy Mosque and the Crown Prince always to support Pakistan.
These are the items that are being dispatched to flood affectees in Pakistan. We can see sugar, oil, lentils, light bulb, soap, kitchen utensils, thermal blanket. This is the tent, and there is a solar panel also. Saudi Arabia has always been on the forefront of helping Pakistani victims, be it flood victims or earthquake victims. This year also, these items are being dispatched for 10,000 Pakistanis in flood affected areas. Wasim Abbasi, Arab News, Islamabad.